Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody commented on my video I made just last night about this and trying to get them evenly spaced. And they said, well, wouldn't it help if you know how long the curve is or the object is? So let's take a 3-point curve and let's lock on that node and snap to that node. And then let's zoom in here a little bit so we can see this better. And let's get this thing right on top of that line. You know what, it might be better just to start over. Zoomed in, get your 3-point curve, go from there to there, and then kind of mimic that line. Now we're going to nudge that line out of the way. That line, if we go to Windows, Dockers, Object Properties, and go right here to your curve, it is 1.51 inches long, or roughly there. Now, how long is this curve? I've actually made a copy. No, that's not it. Let's take this one. Go to Properties. It is 14.85. So if we get out the calculator, 14.85 divided by 1.51, it's almost 10. So let's just do this real quick. Get rid of that. Let's take our line, nudge it over. Let's get 2 more of our new ones. And the only problem is that I've not starting, it's going to start on the, I really want it on this edge. So let's do this. I should have done this previous, but we still need that factor, I think. Let's take away that line and that line. Now let's nudge this over. And our curve now is 13.62. 13.62 divided by 1.51 is 9, almost exactly 9. So we need 9 of these. Let's get rid of the Properties Docker and open up, go to Objects, Blend, and we're going to blend 7 because we already have 2, which makes the 9. Go right here to New Path, click on our path, blend along full path and rotate all objects. Hit Apply. Now it's spaced them out perfectly to that point, and you can see my line. So let's move this down. Let's grab all this and we're going to go to Object, Break, Blend Apart. Let's get rid of our line. Let's group these together, Control G. Let's nudge it down. I'm just using the arrow keys. And look at that. The bottom one's a little bit too close, but you can manually move that. And I might have already had a mistake, you know, when I did this. There's the one I did last night. Here's the one I did. Nope, that's the first one. Anyway, that way, if you use curves, the only, not an argument I have with it, well, let's back up here. It is so easy when you're doing this, go, well, that's too many. We blended 7, so let's just select them, and now this time let's blend 8. Apply, blend along new path, blend along full path, and rotate all object. So you get basically the same scenario. That one might even be actually a little bit closer, but they are equally spaced out. Now, if you did that for all the pieces with the curve, and I found out last night what he's finally fixing to do with these. He's making boxes, and these are just tabs for the living hinge to stand up into. So that's another way to do it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.